Baby, I'm putting on you tonight. You like a night, like animals, animals night. Baby, I think that you can hide. Can smell from miles apart. Just like animals, like animals the first chord is basically going to be an E, which goes like this, and like this. Like this. And then a D. Right here. Right here. Same for it, both. You skip the middle one, it's gonna be here. That's your D. And your G. This one here. This one here. And this one down here. Okay? That's a chord you're gonna learn too. And your C. It's just basically those 4 chords, and you're gonna basically alternate between either the G or the D, but it's always gonna be the E, the D, then the C. And then some of them you can also do. You'll hear it in the song where it's E, G, C, well guys, thanks a lot. This was my video. I hope you all guys enjoyed it, and hope you subscribe.